We have just received our roof bar kit for a Volkswagen T5 and T6. We've just taken it out of the box, and what we have in the box: 2 aluminium anodized roof bars, 2 aero roof bar pads, 4 stainless steel roof bar feet, and 4 mild steel powder coated roof rack feet brackets. And here we've got the hardware to mount them on our van. That's all we need. 4 squidgy bits of rubber to go on the feet of these guys, and then the hardware to put it on your van. Let's go! Sticky bits of rubber on your little feet. That's pretty self-explanatory. Put the aero pads on, this is fun. Flip the bar upside down, flip the bar upside down, flip this guy upside down, Velcro. I got giving that a good pull, and then another good pull. 3 good pulls. Many ways to do this. I reckon the best way to do it is to assemble them down here, sling them on up there. In your little screw pack, you'll have these screws and bolts. I like to lay them out. What you've got to be mindful of is when we're doing the bracket part of assembly, we're after the smaller as opposed to the longer screws. And as long as you remember that, these washers here might be a slightly different size to the big boys too. So all we do is grab the bracket, that goes through there, that goes through the hole, underneath, washer, nut, and you do that for all of them. Leave them a bit loose because we need to help this guy through there. These little puppies are gonna bolt your bar to your van. That little Big Mac of things in the burger goes bolt. What's you call this, Max?
A clamp?
Shake-proof washer was the word you're after.
I was close.
Yep. Another washer and a rubber washer. And those guys go together like that. And then when that actually pierces your little rubber gasket that goes through there, and then if we take that guy off, that'll go straight into your van. These guys here, called roof blanking bolts, are made of plasticine, and they're incredibly soft. So when you do undo them, make sure you've got the right bit, but also when you undo them, just be really mindful that you can shear them off. I advise probably not going on the roof because they're actually quite easy to bend. But I'm on the roof because I'm giving you guys a great insight on how to fit your roof bars. These guys are really handy, but an Allen key will do. We do not supply the Allen key. Sorry. You're after a number 4 Allen key. You should be able to line up, give it a little shake, and just be careful as you start doing it up not to cross thread it, but ultimately that should do up by hand. Then I'd recommend heading over to this side, doing a similar deal on this side. You can buy 2 sets of these and you can have 4 on your van, and you can obviously mount them wherever. We reckon for sort of day-to-day hauling things from surfboards to stand-up paddle boards, and it sounds a bit stupid, but aesthetically I think they look best. 1 on the front, skip that one, and then 1 on the third for short wheelbase van. Looks kinda nice. I'm not sure if I've got sausage fingers, but I'm gonna go 3 fingers on each side for measuring. Before we tighten the bars, we'll tighten the feet first. You can pick these up on our website, which is Stitches and Steel. Google it, and then board.com. Or that's how you buy them. I don't know where I'm going. Fuck. It's a long day with you.